Good morning, guys, and welcome to an absolutely beautiful morning. Hopefully you can hear me over the fans. With the new roof and that here in the barn, I can keep it cool in the barn for a couple hours, even into the hot day, but it's super early in the morning, which is why we're inside, which is why I'm still rocking the old jammies, but we got stuff to do, and I have found the Applegate hours of the day are in the morning as the sun comes up, before my kids wake up, before I get them to school. So today we are going to be working on the cosmetics of our girl Leah. I'm going to be putting on a brand new set of tow mirrors, which is actually what I'm getting ready to install right now. And then we are going to be putting her Raceline wheels back on, which we have right here. And before anybody freaks out about the tires being bald, I know we got some Duratrack sitting right here for her. Let's put some light on this situation. But these are what's going back on. You guys saw these last year. Frankly, with the cleaning up that we're doing on our girl Leah, she's gonna straight up strut. So let's get back out there in that beautiful crisp morning air, and let's get these mirrors on, and I'll catch up with you guys when I can actually talk, because I know how much you guys like that. All right, guys, these mirrors, as I showed you, these things are legitimately fresh out the box. Only thing is that these aren't they're not smoked, but they do light up. I just don't know how, because I can't see, but they do have the plug in them. These are actually for 99 to 02. So what I'm gonna end up doing is getting I'm gonna make a little adapter plug from that mirror to this harness. I've done it before. I've actually taken 03 and up mirrors on the 02 and gone back, so not a big deal. And we're gonna let our grass enjoy its fresh drink of water that it just got. Coming in clutch, it's looking good. We got that patch right there that came in, this right here. Got a little bit more here that we got to get taken care of, but I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna let that enjoy the drink of water it got before I go ahead and run it over playing musical trucks here. Yeah, that's much better. She be looking real pretty. She be looking damn good. Much better, Leah. much better. So what we're gonna do next, because now that we got our mirrors on, we got our wheels and tires switched out. I mean, other than we're gonna get the fender lights wired up, we're gonna get the mirror lights wired up. Let's take this thing for a rip. Let's see how she does. So I'm gonna put you guys up now before everybody freaks out and, well, it's got bad injectors, you're gonna put a hole in the piston. Yeah. Might have a little bit more on that, so let's see how she does. It's a short drive anyway. My kids' school is like 10 minutes from here. So let's go! Like I said, no haze. It's kind of weird, but I have a few suspicions of some things that I need to look into, because I found a couple things on this truck. I'm not going to say what they are because, again, I'm not putting all my eggs in one basket. If it ends up the fixes or the issues that I think are causing that injector to go rogue, which I also have paperwork showing that not all of them were done. Oh well, I'm still in the same boat that I'm already in, but I tell you what, man, I absolutely love having this thing back. And she's looking good too. I mean, this thing, it rides down the road so smooth. It's gonna force me to put money back into this one, because this one and that one, they ride like absolute Cadillacs. But anyway, that's what I got for you guys. You know, typical YouTuber bullshit at the end. I'm not gonna say it. I may put it on the screen, I may not. But anyway, take care, God bless, be good to one another. We'll see you on the next one, guys. See ya.